Okay, I thought I'd stop over at the Dodge dealer, take a look at these two, comparing them. This, the white one is mine with the 2-inch leveling kit, and this should be your stock 1500. Take a quick look here at the tape on it. There you go, about 36 and a half-ish, a little less. There you go, 38 and a half-ish, a little less. You definitely can tell a difference when you're driving it. They are sitting up higher. You can see that is a little higher. I'm sitting on a bit of a downhill. There you go.